Hey friends, welcome to Load of Crock. Today we're going to be making chicken bacon ranch sandwiches. First, you're going to want to spray the crock pot. Make sure you get the bottom and the sides. After this, we put in the chicken. I always try to make sure that it's not overlapping and everything's touching the bottom. Season it with salt, pepper, and some onion seasoning. However you like to season chicken is okay. You can even do full chunks of onion if you want. If I do, my family won't eat it. Cover it with ranch dressing. Another alternative would be to use the dry packets of ranch seasoning. And finally, 1 cube of cream cheese. After this, I'll be frying up bacon and adding it in after it's finished to ensure it's crispy. So for these sandwiches, like with a lot of food, you can do them on high for 3 to 4 hours, or you can do them on low for 6 to 8. Today, because I'm starving, I'm going to do them on high for 3 to 4 hours. We'll start with 3.5 and we'll check them at that time. All right, everyone, I checked it at 3 hours and 30 minutes, looked really good. I'm a little bit leery about chicken, so I went ahead and did it for 4 hours, but anywhere in between would be perfect. If you're enjoying Load of Crock and you'd like to subscribe, please feel free to do so. Now, take a look at one of the easiest recipes that you're going to find, the chicken bacon ranch sandwich.